Dear students, in this module, we are going to talk about the functionalist view of religion. As you know that we as a sociologist do possess three major sociological perspectives, and how do these perspectives view religion vary from their different point of views. So if we talk about the functionalism or the structure of functionalism, they stress that religion is universal. It means that it can be found in every time and space in the human history. It meets the universal needs of human beings, or in other words, it helps individuals, it helps human beings to strive for their basic necessities of life in a way that it helps them to be a cooperative community. Religion is considered a social fact as per Emile Durkheim. Why it is considered a social fact? Because it does not reside within the human psychology or within the human mind or brain. It actually resides in the society. So religion by functionalist can also be considered the social construction of reality, being the social fact, because as per sociology they say that religion is actually the construction by the people themselves. They do invent these religions in order to answer certain metaphysical questions that our physical world is unable to respond, is unable to answer, or is unable to find those answers because of our limitations in the whole universe around us. So religion performs the certain functions and dysfunctions for the smooth running of society. For example, religion performs the function of morality, which becomes the ultimate source of human altruism and cooperation in the society. On the other hand, religion can also produce the sense of lethargy. If you really believe that kind of determinism that religion produces, the fixity in your life, that whatever you are, or in whatever circumstances you are born, you cannot change. This is the part of your destiny. So these are the kind of functions and dysfunctions of religion as per functionalist view. So religion is one of the important functional social institutions. If we try to define the functions of religion from functionalist view, first one, or the important one, is that meaning and purpose. It provides the answers to perplexing questions about the ultimate meaning. For example, where do we come from, and what is the purpose of life, etc. The answers to these questions give the followers a sense of purpose or of a framework for living, and believers see their lives as fitting to the divine purpose or the divine plan. And then we have the emotional comfort. It means that it provides the comfort to the people by providing answers to the certain emotional questions. For example, death perhaps is very traumatizing, and maybe religion can help you to find the answer that if we die, maybe we do have the life hereafter. It is not the end in itself. So it means that religion can help you provide the comfort emotionally. And religion also provides us with the morality, as we have already discussed that the definitions of good and bad and right and wrong also come from religion. It helps us the judgment of right and wrong, the right acts that lead to heaven as per religious scriptures, and the wrong that can lead to hell. So these social sanctions can help us to have a mechanism of social control in the society as well. As you can see, the concept of Saturn and angel is being reflected in this picture. And then the concept of social solidarity that practices, it unites the believers into the community that shares the values and perspectives. 5-time prayers unite us together, and religious festivals also bring us on the same page. As you can see that Muslims, they usually have a great get together on the Jummah prayer, on the Friday prayer. And then the guidelines for everyday life, the norms and values can also be derived from the religion or the religious beliefs. It provides the practical guidelines for everyday life, and religion also provides us with the sense of cleanliness. As you know, जैसे इस्लाम के अंदर है कि सफाई निस्फ ईमान है, तो इस तरह की जो significance है, it can also be derived from the religion. So religion teaches us to be good with the other human beings, and the mechanism of social control, as we have already discussed about it, that for example, it guides us to bring the non-members into conformity, as well as the religious teachings are incorporated into the criminal law as well. And also it helps us for the function of adaptation, that religion can help people adapt to the new environment, and also it serves the bridge or bridges the gap between the old or new environment by adopting to certain aspects or certain new aspects of our life. And also the support for the government that guide people to abide by the laws of government, and it forbids people from being part of the anarchy or part of the normlessness. So the moral, social, as well as political support comes from the religion and religious values.